Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to layer different colors of vinyl together so everything is right where you want them. I got this design in Cricut Design Space, and it has 3 different colors that will be layered on top of each other. Lining vinyl up perfectly can be pretty tricky, but today I'll show you a simple trick to make it much easier. Start by transferring the top and middle layers onto transfer paper. I like to trim mine down to size so it's a bit easier to work with later when I'm layering the vinyl. I'll just take the backing off of the hearts, but instead of just trying to stick them on and hoping that they line up properly, I'll grab a piece of regular parchment paper from the kitchen. It's great because, as you can see here, you can see right through it. The 2 teal hearts are going to get layered over the black heart. What I need to do is cover up most of the heart with parchment paper, but leave a little bit uncovered up at the top. Now I can take the first teal heart and place it roughly where I want it to go, letting it stick to the transfer paper. An important step here is to make sure that the top of the teal heart doesn't stick on the exposed part of the black heart just yet. I'll carefully slide the parchment paper around until it's positioned just right. Once the placement is good, I can now stick down the top of the heart, which will keep the vinyl exactly in place. Because vinyl doesn't stick really well to parchment paper, I can just pull it right out, then stick the rest of the heart down. I'll just take off the transfer paper, then repeat the process for the next color of vinyl. Line up the parchment paper so it's covering most of the heart. Position this heart. Then when it's in the right place, stick down the top and pull out the parchment paper. Remove the transfer paper and this 3-layer design is ready to use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.